How to reorder contact groups on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the Contacts app. Then in the Contacts list, go down and tap on Groups. Next, tap on the More button. Then tap on Reorder from the pop-up menu. In here, simply drag on an item to move it up or down like this. So here I will move IT Jungles up to the top. Then next, I will move Galaxy S25 to the second position in the list. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to save the changes. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.